is the Martin Fowler Scrum on it's a Monday. And I've given up coffee, so I'm like processing the world at about half speed. We'll see how long that lasts. Coffee Brent and Sam are here. I will try and say what I've been doing because my brain's not working very well. And I must, if I stop talking, I may just like freeze out. I have been getting the NHS monthly report out. I'm supposed to be seeing all the NHS folks tomorrow to talk more about the wiki and expanding it and promoting it. So I'm just the wiki for the subscribers, contract that we have. I've also been updated. I've been doing the reports for this month in Agile Ventures, which has been a solid month. I think going very well. Lots of new premium members and so on and so forth. And I've got a little bit of clear up on this private electron project. It's I think hopefully closing up now. Just thinking all about single day level of abstraction. The other important news are that we had a community meeting on Friday evening and kind of ratified the new code of conduct, and there are various action items from me there in terms of, particularly we've got the grievance procedures and stuff in place, but everybody seems very happy with the new code of conduct. Just so, it's basically be nice to each other, people are going to be nice. That's unsurprising, because we have one instance of something a bit nasty. And then, of course, there's other thing. Oh yeah, I have actually done some coding on website 1 this morning, and I've been trying out gems for nested form fields in Rails, and I've got that working, and that's looking promising. So yeah, I think that's all good. Marketing meeting this afternoon. There's nothing. Yeah, I'm just trying to get my brain back to gear up. Very busy weekend, involving lots of running, and I'm not blocked. Brent, how are things going with you?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm just back from holiday, so not a lot happened in the last couple of weeks. I've finished the videos for the Michael Hartle Ruby on Rails tutorial, so I'm going to start working through the book now, ready for the Agile course, which you confirmed starts in October.
Yeah.
I've been chasing up some of the owners of the sites that are being represented, their events represented on local support. Not getting many replies, if I'm honest, so I'll continue to chase them. I have had one response from a lady, oh crikey me, I'm trying to think which charity she was from. It was the Help the Aged, I believe, for Harrow, and they outsourced their site to a third party, so she is going to speak to them to find out if they can provide us any API or any update on how we can get that data from them. But as yet, we've not heard from them. But I guess, no real blockers apart from that. I will continue to chase these people where I've yet to have a response. I may try some other email addresses that are on the sites as well.
Sure. Yeah. No, that's great work.
Cool.
Yeah, excellent. Not just in line. I'm doing a similar sort of job with the what are they called? With for the NHS wiki project, where we're trying to get that sort of pumped up and reaching out to groups who are also doing social prescribing, and I've reached out to a lot and haven't heard very much back. So one thing that we did realize we had a domain name issue thing. When you're emailing from, there's a potential that we were ending up with a lot of stuff in spam, and we updated our SPF record.
Right.
That's now what you might do, Brent, is just try when you send your thing. I wonder if it goes through your provider. Try sending to your Gmail address. Try sending yourself an email from your Agile Ventures email and see if Gmail puts it in spam.
Yeah, I will.
If it does, because we can add, if it's using your provide. I guess it's probably not, because
I
have a proper account, didn't we? So
I'm using the Gandhi one that you set up, but I did actually have a couple of returned emails.
Yeah.
And it wasn't clear as to whether or not it was a problem at their end or if it was just
Do feel free to
rejected.
Forward me any problem returns that you get, and do that test, and we'll look into that. Yeah,
we'll do. Yeah,
interesting. Okay, cool, excellent.
And I think we've had Praveen join us actually.
It is. Praveen has joined us. Yes, Praveen, how are things going with you?
Good, Sam.
Anything blocking you at the moment? Anything to report?
No.
All right, that's short and sweet, fantastic. Yes. So yeah, that's I think then our Scrum done.
Yeah.
Brent, since you mentioned local sport, yeah, I did have a meeting with the client on Thursday, and it got a lot of things accepted on the board and new things added, and yeah, that was all very, very positive. There's a video of that if you want the core details in the local sport channel. I guess there's and I deployed that fix from Fernando.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Yeah, and so I guess conceivably you might be like, I know he had a couple of busy weeks, whether he'll come back or not, I'm not sure. There's that refactoring the JavaScript.
Yeah, I'm going to try and reach out to him this week now I'm back and find out if he's made any progress and hopefully help him move forward if he has or hasn't. Yeah.
Wonderful. Other news in the local sport, we've got another couple working. It's Eba and Lienzong have started working on some stuff. What's the thing to say there about local sport? No, I think that's nothing my brain will probably process right now. It's all good, isn't it? Yes. Oh, I was just gonna ask you. Yeah, you say you finished watching the Michael Hartle videos.
Yes.
Yeah. How did you find them?
They were very good, actually. I didn't actually follow them by doing the code because I just did the trial on Safari, so I had limited number of days to get them watched, and there's about 25 hours worth of videos.
Mm-hmm.
But I think having watched them, now I'm going to work through the book and actually do the exercises. Okay. I think I've sort of got in my head what the end result should look like. So I think it's gonna help me run through the book. So I'm looking forward to starting that. Yeah, the videos are really good. Unfortunately, what he's had to do since Rails, because he's updated the books to Rails 5, but the videos are still in a previous version of Rails, I think 4.2, if my memory serves right. So there's a number of videos where he sort of added inserts in, which sort of, I don't know, it sort of upheavaled the flow of the videos, unfortunately. But I guess it had to because it didn't match what was in the book.
I think it's a problem with making video tutorials is that the code, the versions keep on changing. So one ends up with a big sort of technical debt, almost you could call. Like you have to keep putting in this effort to maintain them to keep them relevant and useful.
Yeah. But no, they were very good, and he's very good at how he explains things. It's very clear. I'd recommend it to anybody who wanted to learn Rails and maybe do what I've done, watch the videos and just watch the videos rather than trying to follow along with code and then use the book.
Then go back and go.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's going to stand you in extremely good stead for doing the edX course.
Excellent.
Yeah, which reminds me, the other thing that is the teaching assistant training course for that is supposed to go live today. I mean, it is going live today, and I need to do check on that this afternoon. But yeah, that's that's our Scrum. Great to see you back from holiday, Brent. Hope you had a good relax while you were away.
I tried to. Cheers.
Yeah, and Praveen, good to see you. Just reach out if you need any help with anything. I was very happy to add you to the jobs channel there, and maybe catch up a bit later today.
Thanks very much.
Bye-bye.
Cheers all.
Bye for now.
Bye.